taking much of your time, friends, let me introduce you with our second speaker, who is none other than Mr. Tushar Tayal. He is also from Tejpur, and he is an international BBA student at SP Jain School of Global Management, Singapore, Dubai, and Sydney. He is a global entrepreneur heading three startups. Yes, friends, I rightly said heading three startups, and namely Travel Idea, Koreana, and Germout India. He is also a Global Citizenship Awardee at SP Jain School of Global Management and an AIR 1 in CBSE Higher Secondary Examination 2019 from the stream of commerce. So I would like to invite Mr. Tushar Tayal to continue the session from here. Tushar, over to you.
Thank you so much, Debojit, for such an amazing introduction. Good evening, everyone. बड़ों को मेरा प्रणाम, friends सभी को hello. Give me a second, I'll quickly share my screen. So, unveiling what we are going to talk about. Is the screen visible to everyone? Debojit, screen visible hai?
Yes, Tushar. Yes, Tushar.
Yeah,
it's visible.
Perfect. So, good evening, everyone. आज हम discuss करने वाले हैं something very generic, but something everyone is struggling about: time management. I know सुनने में थोड़ा boring लगेगा initially, that you might think कि यही बोलेंगे that we should manage our time effectively so that we can improve productivity. But I feel time management is more important from even a different perspective. Everyone likes to have their leisure time, right? हमें खेलना पसंद है. Yeah, there is something that we want to spend time on. And time management इसलिए भी सीखना जरूरी है ताकि वो जो चीज हमें करना पसंद है वो हम अच्छे से वो जब भी कर रहे हो without stress कर सकें. So that is what I mean by so that you play without stress. So welcome to this session of Opportunity in Adversity organized by Bharat Vikas Parishad Tezpur. Thank you so much, Bharat Vikas Parishad Tezpur, for organizing this and providing me an opportunity to bring this to the students. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the topic. Time management. इसकी सबसे बड़ी बीमारी अगर बोला जाए तो that is procrastination. There is some problem with the screen. So that is procrastination. अब procrastination ऐसी चीज है जिससे हम सभी, like this is a disease that is impacted every one of us. But इसके कुछ symptoms हैं जो हम खुद से भी relate कर सकते हैं. And I know like कुछ symptoms को relate कर पाएंगे, कुछ लोग सभी को relate कर पाएंगे. But at the end of the day, procrastination is something everyone does. Not a healthy thing to do, but everyone like ends on doing that at the end of the day. Like you see, if you end up doing low priority tasks, कुछ ऐसा चीज जो करना इतना जरूरी नहीं है, but हम उसे पहले करते हैं ऐसी चीजों से जो हमें बाद में करना चाहिए, यानी कि जो कि ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. या फिर हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलने चले जाते हैं at a time जब हमें पता है we have a very important project to finish at our place. और the most common one, करने का मूड ही नहीं है भाई, करना ही नहीं है, मुझे अभी मूड ही नहीं है, जब मूड आएगा तब करूंगा. So that is a very problematic situation when it comes to procrastination, which is the major disease in time management. तो जब time management की बात कर रहे हैं and जब procrastination की बात कर रहे हैं, हमने देखा कि इसमें procrastination जो आता है that is mainly because of certain reasons like perfectionism. वो इसलिए आता है क्योंकि हम सब कुछ perfectly करना चाहते हैं and हमें लगता है अभी हमारा creative side of वो brain काम नहीं कर रहा है, वो तब काम करेगा तब हम करेंगे so that हम जो भी काम कर रहे हैं that we can do it perfectly. Yes, over this period, like handling few businesses, studying, and now the life when it has become so hectic, ना अब समझ में आने लगा है कि perfectionism जिसके पीछे पहले एक टाइम पे भागा करते थे, that is actually not a good thing to do. We should do our task as well as we can, but always targeting to be a perfectionist might slow us down in this very very dynamic world. दुनिया आगे निकल जाएगी, हम perfection के पीछे लगे रह जाएंगे. So this is one of the major reasons behind procrastination that we have seen. Anxiety, because we are just anxious about stuff. पता नहीं कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, कब होगा. and because of that we don't end up doing that. Ambiguity is, आज के डेट पे हम इंतजार करते रह जाते हैं फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन कि हम तब चीजें करेंगे जब हमारे पास उसके रिलेटेड सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगी, हम ये डिसीजन तब लेंगे जब सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएंगी. लाइक आई वांट टू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस, बट मैं तब स्टार्ट करूंगा जब प्रोबेबली मेरे पास और इंफॉर्मेशन आ जाएगा, एंड दैट वेट इज एंडलेस, राइट? So good evening everyone again. I am Tushar Tayal. Thank you Debajit for the introduction, but more than what like my past speaks about me, I'm just an average 20-year-old adult with a life as messed up as yours, or probably more than yours, definitely. Not very organized as I might sound, but I can be really messy at times, and it is out of this messiness that I could actually understand the value of time. And it really took me some time to understand that how important our time is to us. And iska bhi reason piche yahi tha, as I said in my very first slide, I was not enjoying the time when I was playing. Like I really like gaming, okay? I really like gaming in PS4, playing with friends, outdoor cricket and everything. But when I was doing that, there came a time when मुझे लगा कि like I'm not enjoying it. जब मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, I'm always worried about some task that I have pending आगे का. So that's when I actually understood कि time management is important, not because उस काम को करना जरूरी है, but जब मैं शांति का time अपने लिए ले रहा हूँ, so that शांति का time should be really शांति का time, and I should not be worried about the other tasks, because I'm so well managed in time that I don't have to worry about that in my leisure time at least. So in this session now, I'll be giving you 10 time management tips plus few bonus tips and tools, and we'll try to manage our time effectively as well as possible during the session. So starting with tip 1 is own your time. हम ऐसी चीजों के पीछे लगे हुए हैं उसको पाने के जो हमारे पास है ही नहीं, but there is this thing that is always with us, that is our own time, and we still try to disown that. जो टाइम हमारे पास है हम उसे डिसोन कर देते हैं बोल के कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, but that's never the case. Like I am in this webinar today because I choose to be in this webinar. You are in this webinar today because you choose to be in this webinar. And अभी अगर कोई आके पूछे कि भाई do you want to go out with me now, and suppose you are doing something, or you can be doing anything, so you should not ever say that I don't have time to do that. You say that to make it subtle socially, but you should not say that to yourself. To yourself, you have to understand, we have to understand that we always have control of our own time, and we are doing something because we are choosing to do something at that moment. So you cannot say that I don't have time to do that. I choose to do something else at that particular point of time, and not what you are asking me to do. So I am choosing to be in this webinar today rather than doing anything else that I could have done, right? So own your time. This is in tip 1 because this one tip can actually change your whole life. When you get your possession of your own time, okay, this is something that is with me, then you feel more control of not just your time but your own self. And इससे क्या होता है कि at the end of the day हम खुद को responsible भी मानते हैं for whatever we have done. अगर हमने 8 घंटे सोशल मीडिया पर बर्बाद कर दें, guys, yes, just one more thing, like at the end of the day, like now it's the high time, now everyone is I think 16, 17, 18, and in this lockdown everyone is just too much addicted to social media. A bit of social media is definitely always needed for our mental health well-being, for personal branding reasons, but always check your digital well-being ka time that your phone shows. I can still bet for majority of our age people it's more than 7 hours, and like it's too much. So just check there how much is the time on Instagram, how much is the time on WhatsApp, and at the end of the time you held yourself responsible for like whatever you are doing right now. So the tip 2 is hell yeah or hell no. So ऐसा ही हुआ when I got really conscious about my time management, and I really felt कि जो भी हो रहा है probably something is not going right. I started reading a lot of books on time management. And this was a very good book that I liked, and that's the title of tip 2 as well. Hell yeah or no, what's worth doing? This is by Dervis Silvers, and ये book क्या बोलता है कि आधी चीजें हमें करने का इसलिए मन नहीं करता बिकॉज वी आर समवेयर इन बिटवीन. This is the yes, this is the no, and we give answers to people about, or we take decisions about stuff where we are here. So उस केस में क्या होता है, when we are not like hell yeah I want to do that, or no I'm not interested in that, we are like acha I probably can try that once. So in that try that once, that particular thing always ends up being at the end of our priority list. That has happened with me also. Like there have been few unpaid internships that I had applied some year back, and like at that time, just getting an internship was a very big deal for me. So I was like, okay, मिल रहा है करके देख लेते हैं. But then I didn't last at that place for more than a month or 20 days or something. So that's what at the end of the day happens when we are somewhere in between. I have been through it, and I find this really sensible at times, that hell yeah, that is the emotion that should come out when we are doing something or taking a decision about something. कि अच्छा हमें ये करना चाहिए, yes we want to do that, or no we are not interested in that. But anything is between should be taken as equivalent to no, because at the end of the day हम उसे usually procrastinate कर बैठते हैं. Tip 3 is really helpful for me. For me personally, it has done wonders. I can bet you that you should try that at least once. Everybody has their different working style, guys. So मैं नहीं बोल रहा कि जो भी मैं tips दे रहा हूँ that is like stringent you should follow, but has helped me, so I expect कि शायद आप लोगों को भी ये help करेगा. So this tip is one daily highlight. अब आप अपना टू डू लिस्ट अगर बनाते हैं या फिर आपके दिमाग में है जो भी है, लाइक मुझे बहुत सारे काम करने हैं, ये है ये है ये है ये है ये है, बहुत सारे काम है. बहुत सारे काम जब हम लेके बैठते हैं ना, यूजुअली एक भी काम या तो ढंग से पूरा नहीं होता है, या फिर छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हम कंप्लीट करते हैं और रात को हमें लगता है कि हमने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं है. सो व्हाट आई प्रेफर टू डू इज दैट एक दिन के लिए एक डेली हाईलाइट या एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम रखता हूँ कि आज और कुछ हो ना हो, ये वाला काम तो मेरा कंप्लीट हो ही जाना चाहिए. तो ऐसा होने से एक तो मुझे रात को एक सैटिस्फैक्टरी फीलिंग रहती है, अच्छा मैंने कुछ किया. एंड उसके अलावा अगर और 2-3 काम कंप्लीट हो जाए तो बहुत ही बढ़िया, नहीं भी हुए तो एटलीस्ट मेरा डेली हाईलाइट जो था, जिसके लिए मैंने अपने आप को मेंटली प्रिपेयर किया था, अच्छा ये मेरा हो जाना चाहिए, दैट वाज कंप्लीट. ये मैंने 12th के बोर्ड्स एग्जाम के टाइम पे भी मैंने लाइक ऐसे काफी फॉलो किया था. लाइक मेरा ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं एक ही दिन में बिजनेस स्टडीज भी पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक ही दिन में अकाउंट्स भी पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक ही दिन में इकोनॉमिक्स भी पढ़ रहा हूँ. मेरा एक दिन का एक डेली हाईलाइट रहता था कि अच्छा आज के दिन में इकोनॉमिक्स के 4 चैप्टर एटलीस्ट हो जाने चाहिए, अकाउंट्स के अगर 2 मैंने एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस कर पाए तो बहुत बढ़िया है, अगर नहीं भी कर पाए एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन तो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन ये कंप्लीट हो जाना चाहिए. तो उस केस में क्या होता है ना, वन डे यू गिव टू समथिंग, वो फ्लो ऑफ मेंटल थॉट मेंटेन रहता है हमारा, एंड उसकी वजह से लाइक द आउटकम आई हैव सीन यूजुअली इट्स better than when we do break by break or over days. So before coming to this webinar, ये मेरा कल का था. This was the mental conflict that I was having the day before yesterday का रात को, that okay कल के लिए I have a very important travel quotation to make. I have to connect with a friend जो मुझसे गुस्सा बैठा है because मैंने बहुत टाइम से बात नहीं की. I have to strategize for one of the businesses that I was thinking, so I had to prepare a report for that and prepare for the webinar. But I chose to prepare for the webinar that day because the webinar is due today. Right? So one daily highlight I could complete it. Another thing that I could have done to prepare for the webinar was that to start 3 or 4 days earlier and thoda karke every day I did it. But no, I thought कि मेरा flow of thoughts will be the best when it's done yesterday, and I give एक अच्छा खासा time slot to it. So one daily highlight. Tip 4. Tip 4 के साथ, yeah, the title is very generic, I know. Just use a to-do list. So the title is generic, but the software that I want to propose to you is Trello. Like this Trello software has done wonders. You can try that yourself. I won't go very deep in details about this software, but this is a very good work organizer. And you can prepare lists like overall आज के लिए क्या काम है and done क्या है. So this is an example from my own to-do list. And ऐसा बनाने से like the satisfaction part is जब today से हम उसको done पे छोड़ते हैं तो we feel that okay we have completed a lot of tasks and we don't have to worry about things कि क्या क्या pending है, कितना time लगेगा. This Trello software is really amazing. It's free of cost, guys. You can use that for yourself. You can create lists of your tasks. You can customize it as per your requirements. And when you are done, you can just like scroll it down and put it here. So it's amazing. You can set your deadlines and also include your friends here if you are suppose working with along with your friends here. Yes. Yep. So tip 5 is block your calendar, which goes with the daily highlight. जो हमने daily highlight रखा था उसके लिए at least we should block a time in our calendar that इतने बजे से इतने बजे तो मुझे ये करना ही करना है, and that when you sit for that long duration in that block your calendar part, it's really amazing because क्या होता है कि एक ही flow of thought हमारा maintained रहता है. Like suppose you are working on a project or suppose you are working on writing a report or something, anything, like you can do anything. एक webinar कर रहे हो सकते हो, किसी से Zoom sessions कर रहे हो सकते हो, तो Zoom sessions करने हैं suppose आपको 2-3 people के साथ, so you can just settle time for this कि इतने time से इतने time तक I'll be doing that. This is a bonus tool that I have come up. No, I haven't come up with this, like not taking credit for that. Somebody else have developed this, but this is really useful. This is the urgency importance matrix. This is a very good tool that you can use to decide कि क्या करना अभी जरूरी है, क्या चीज को procrastinate किया जा सकता है. At the end of the day, you will end up procrastinating. But procrastinate ऐसी चीजों को करो जो जरूरी नहीं है. जरूरी चीजों को प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करने से दिमाग में स्ट्रेस होता है एंड जो चीजों में रिलैक्सेशन मिलनी चाहिए वो भी नहीं मिल पाता है हमें. सो दिस मैट्रिक्स यू कैन यूज, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट इफ यू वांट टू. लाइक हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क, हाईली अर्जेंट टास्क, दीज टास्क शुड बी डन सबसे पहले. लो इंपॉर्टेंट बट हाई अर्जेंट, ये टास्क लाई समवेयर इन बिटवीन एंड यू कैन टेक योर ओन रैशनल डिसीजन फॉर दीज. हाईली अर्जेंट है बट इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है तो यू कैन डेलीगेट दिस इफ यू वांट टू. Low importance, low urgency task को you can either discard it altogether or like you can just put it off for बाद में. High important, low urgency task ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनके लिए एक थोड़ा long term deadline you can set, but immediately you don't have to do that. Tip 6 is the Parkinson's law. Parkinson's law सुनने में काफी technical sound कर रहा है. I have used a technical sound because वो एक book पढ़ी थी मैंने, so I remembered this term. But the very fact here is कि हमें एक्चुअल टाइम कितना लगना चाहिए एक काम करने में एंड कितना टाइम हम उसे अलॉट करते हैं. सपोज टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस वेबिनार आई जस्ट नीडेड 2 hours सपोज एंड आई एंडेड अप गिविंग इट 6 hours. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ मच टाइम विल आई टेक? You can expect some answers on the chat. Yes, so yeah, great. Like yeah, you guessed it right. I would have taken exactly 6 hours to do that. Like that's crazy because what we think कि बहुत टाइम है. And this is the very kind of a, what do you say, like it's like a bug in our head. बहुत टाइम है, हमें सोचना ही चाहिए कि हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, because जब हम वो सोच लेते हैं that's the day we are gone. We cannot handle our time on a day when we think कि हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. So deadlines रखो, deadlines ऐसे रखो जो बहुत पास में हो. इसके लिए I have another bonus tip that हमेशा अपनी capacity के ऊपर की deadline रखनी चाहिए. That this thing I also used in my grade 12 exams कि suppose मुझे पता है एक दिन में if I set from morning to night I can do probably 50 questions accounting. I'll target 100. तो मुझे पता है कि I cannot do 100. I have been always doing 50. But over days what you see is कि हमारा जो comfort zone है that expands and वो बढ़ता ही चला जाता है. So that's a very helpful thing and इससे maximize होती है हमारी productivity. एक stress रहता है दिमाग में कि अच्छा target बहुत बड़ा है, उसके 50 की जगह अगर 60 भी कर लेते हैं ना तो it's a great achievement even if you can't achieve your target of 100. Tip 7 is protected time.
Sorry to interrupt, but another 2 minutes only, please.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, sir. Sure. So tip 7 is protected time. This is something very easy that एक protected time अपने आप के लिए भी होना जरूरी है और probably एक routine task जो हमें करना जरूरी है. So अगर हम वो सेट कर लेते हैं तो it's a peace of mind कि अच्छा इतने टाइम जो हमारा डे का है that तो we are gonna play आराम से and nobody is gonna say us anything at that particular point of time. Tip 8, as I have already addressed before, delegate the task. देखो कि हम अपने आप को जिन चीजों में इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं उसका कॉस्ट ऑफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी में क्या है, उसके अलावा अगर हम कुछ कर रहे होते तो हम क्या कर रहे होते. अगर आपको लगता है कि अगर उसको डेलीगेट करना हमारे लिए ज्यादा सस्ता है तो डेलीगेट कर देना चाहिए. इट कैन बी एनी टास्क ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. जब हम प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हैं व्हेन इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग टू डू, यू कैन स्ट्रेटेजाइज योर प्रोजेक्ट, यू कैन डू योर प्रोजेक्ट, बट सपोज सिंपल थिंग्स टू डू है, करेक्शंस हो गए, ग्रामर चेक हो गया, इफ यू वांट टू डेलीगेट इट टू वन ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स यू डू दैट, बट लाइक डू द मेन टास्क बाय योरसेल्फ. The only task that is not helping you in your growth you should delegate it. Tip 9 is another software that I want to introduce to you. It's Calendly. Abhi jo hai, this is the new normal, the Zoom calls. And Zoom calls mein one of the major issues is setting appointments with people. अभी आप भी नेटवर्क करना चाहोगे लोगों के साथ, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, अपने लाइक इंटर्नशिप जो आपको एम्प्लॉय करेंगे उनके साथ, बट आपका स्केड्यूल और उनका स्केड्यूल मिलता नहीं है. उसको मिलाने के लिए देयर इज द सॉफ्टवेयर कॉल्ड कैलेंडली दैट यू कैन ट्राई, जहां पे आप अपना स्केड्यूल को डाल सकते हो एंड यू कैन सेंड अ कैलेंडली लिंक टू योर फ्रेंड और योर एम्प्लॉयर और हुसएवर यू वांट टू जूम कॉल विद, एंड बोल सकते हो कि सर देखिए ये मेरा स्केड्यूल है, आपको जहां समझ में आता है आप अपनी बुकिंग कर लीजिए. इससे दो हेल्प होती है, एक तो आपका प्रेशियस टाइम बचता है जो आप ईमेल करते करते में रह जाओगे, एंड सेकेंडली जो मीटिंग शायद होती ही नहीं वो मीटिंग हो जाती है. फाइनली एंड द लास्ट वन, सेल्फ अप्रिसिएशन. ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ फॉर हाउसएवर फार यू हैव रीच्ड. ये बहुत जरूरी है. लाइक अगर आपने 3 टास्क सेट किए होंगे, आपने सिर्फ एक ही कर पाए हो, बट अप्रिशिएट योरसेल्फ फॉर दैट. Don't stress over that. Don't criticize yourself for that. Just take learnings out of it. Move ahead. Rome was not built in a day, as the PPT says. The comfort zone से आपको बाहर आना जरूरी है. Comfort zone को धीरे धीरे बड़ा करना है. But एक ही दिन में you cannot be the total expert. But just grow day by day. That's what we say. So that brings me to the end of my PPT. I know it was a bit quick, but any questions you have or anything you want to understand elaborately, any of the more tools you want to get from me, you can connect with me over Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, email, and